If your Copilot answers feel a bit generic, it might not be your prompt, it might be your mode. Let me show you what the Think Deeper mode does using a simple change impact spreadsheet. In this demo, we're going to use this impact log. It has impact levels, risks, readiness score, and notes. This is the kind of thing business change managers stare at on a weekly basis. I'll ask Copilot to summarize the key risks from this data. What I will first do is go over to the top right hand corner and select what mode I would like Copilot to respond with. In this instance, I'm going to use the latest GPT for the GPT 5.5 quick response. I will now enter my prompt. I will now also upload the impact log. Let's see what response we get from GPT 5.5 quick response. In quick mode, you tend to get a tidy summary, useful but not always actionable. Now let's use the same prompt, summarize the key risks from this data, and now let's switch to GPT 5.5 Think Deeper. Right away, you can see that it's given me a more thorough response, including a table of information. This is where it gets good. It gives me the overall risk themes, priority attention areas, and an exec summary. If I wanted to take it a step further, I could actually give it a better prompt and say, analyze the patterns, prioritize the top risks, and recommend actions for a business change manager. So now I've changed the prompt. Let's see what the output looks like now. So obviously it's given me what I've asked for, which is pattern analysis. Pattern 1, the highest impact changes have the lowest readiness. Pattern 2, people readiness and adoption risks are visible. Pattern 3, communication gaps are creating readiness risks. Pattern 4, training and enablement gaps are also present. Pattern 5, some controls are already in place. And also a table here which has a list of priorities, change areas, why it's a priority, change manager focus, information, recommended actions for a business change manager. Again, all this information is so valuable for a business change manager. It's provided us with recommended actions and next steps, and an overall business change manager action plan, and lastly an executive summary for senior stakeholders. So as you can see, the Think Deeper mode, especially the latest version, which is the GPT 5.5 Think Deeper mode, is a very, very good mode to use when analysing a change impact assessment. I hope you guys found that helpful. Which mode will you try out next? Would you try the Think Deeper mode, or are you happy with the quick response mode? Remember to join my mailing list at www.techbiztoolkit.com, and also please like, subscribe to my channel.